In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VLOOKUP with choose function in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to use these functions. This technique is especially useful when your lookup column is not positioned on the left side of the value you want to return, which is normally required with a standard VLOOKUP. By combining VLOOKUP with choose, you can work around that limitation in a simple way. For this example, prepare a small sample data set in cells A1 through B4. The data includes employee names and employee IDs, and we'll use it to demonstrate how the formula works. Make sure your data is set up and easy to read before entering the formula, because that will help you understand exactly what Excel is doing. Next, click cell D2 and enter the lookup value. In this example, type 102. This is the employee ID we want Excel to search for. After that, click cell E2 and begin entering the formula. Type an equals sign, then VLOOKUP, followed by an opening parenthesis. Enter D2 as the lookup value, then type a comma. Next, enter choose and another opening parenthesis. Type curly braces with £1.2 inside them, then a comma. After that, enter the range B2 through B4, type another comma, and then enter the range A2 through A4. Close the choose function with a parenthesis, then type a comma, enter 2, type another comma, and enter false. Finally, close the VLOOKUP formula with a parenthesis. The full formula creates a temporary two-column table. Choose rearranges the data so that the employee ID column becomes the first column of that temporary table, and the employee name column becomes the second. Then VLOOKUP searches for the ID in D2 and returns the matching name from the second column. Using false ensures Excel looks for an exact match, which is usually what you want for IDs. Before pressing enter, keep in mind that you can easily adapt this formula for your own worksheet. You can change the value in D2 to search for a different employee ID. You can also replace the ranges with the actual ranges that contain your data. If your worksheet uses different columns, choose can still combine any two columns into a temporary lookup table as long as you point to the correct ranges. Now press enter. Excel returns the matching result, which in this example is Mary. And that's it. You've successfully used VLOOKUP with the choose function in Excel to perform a lookup even when the return column appears to the left of the search column.